members.
Chair,
Can I just say?
It's not fair for the senator of Nairobi to take over the committee.
Please.
Please allow us.
Yeah.
Allow us to go through our program the way.
Maybe
This is not about Elgeyo Marakwet. This is about Nairobi. When your governor is here, you will take over
we
the
also
committee.
live here. We also live in Nairobi.
She's not from
What
So
we are
you are
saying
not
is-
answerable to the
She's not
people.
from
we
Elgeyo
are saying
Marakwet.
Who do you answer?
we cannot
You don't
allow,
answer to the
we
people
cannot
of Nairobi.
allow
Order,
the
please.
senator of Nairobi to
Please.
divert us
No.
from our
I
agenda.
understand you.
So as a committee chair, can you
Mheshimiwa Kamar.
guide us and we finish our agenda?
Chair, I don't think
It's not
anybody
fair.
in this committee should be a gatekeeper for anybody.
Correct.
Order.
We are here to get the facts, and the facts will set us free.
I know for a fact Kamar doesn't bank with CDA.
Order.
I know you don't bank with
I
CDA.
don't.
You can't
But
put
what
public
I'm
money
saying
in
is,
places where you can't put
why
private
are
money.
we insisting on number 5? We still have questions that have not been answered.
No. Wait, hold on.
I
Allow
think
us to finish.
Okay. Order. First, switch off your mic first, Professor. Well, Professor, please switch off your. Let's have some normalities. What is the issue? The issue is we're almost done. It's the only thing I'm seeing is this business to do with the Dish County School Feeding Program.
Exactly.
That's what you're asking. Can you ask your questions just so fast? Because now our time is over. Please do that. And our colleagues have walked out. There's no problem. Proceed.
Are we asking questions before he presents them?
Yes, it has given his presentation. I think he has finished, isn't it?